Legendary beats. Star boy. Yeah. One time. See? Done. Do the best for me. Do the best for you. Say my baby, she my queen, she my light through the dark, and she want no other man, she my number one love. I said, do the best for you. Do the best for me. Say my baby, she.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to the WOL family channel. So right now it is okay, so it is 12:42 and this morning we've just been running errands, doing some stuff, and we'll cut on the way home. And it's such a nice day today, like it's honestly so it's honestly such a nice day today that I drive back home. Like I knew today that I wanted to take them to the park. I wanted to go out and do something because it's such a beautiful day today. So on my way back home I was like, oh, let's stop by Carisbrook Park because it's literally like a 2-minute drive from the house. So I'm like, yeah, let's just stop here and then we'll go home later. I have water. We just eaten before we came here. We had some Maccas and then topped it off with some ice cream, some soft serve ice cream. So we're at the park now. Mummy, you ready to go to the park?
Yeah.
Ava, do you want to go to the park? Look how grubby she is. Okay, so normally she has it in a cup, like in a little cup, but today I'm like, she's a big girl, like, you know, let's see how she goes in a cone. She got it everywhere. Like she is so sticky. Like, look at her. That was her sister's headband that she was wearing, and Ava was wearing her pink one. But we're gonna get out now. I'm gonna unload. I'm gonna get the pram out. Oh, I'm gonna get the pram out because Natalina, she's so tired that she just keeps waking herself up and then crying. Come, baby. Look at her. Thank you. Mommy put it on your head in a minute. Wait here, Mummy, get the bag. put your shoes on, but you be careful, okay? Hey! Set, go. Go! Woo! Yay! Lina! Little Lina! Hey! I'm not even kidding you, but a bird just shot on my head. Like, do you want to go home? We'll go have some fruit. Because Mummy didn't pack anything because it was just going to be a quick trip. But we ended up staying here for a little bit longer than what we planned. Alright, we're going to go. She's going like up the steepest part. Where are you? There you are. Yeah, come on. Guys, going up this hill with a 10-kilo baby and a pram. Woo! Lord has given me the strength to conquer this hill. Look how steep hers is. Yay! We made it! Bye! Guys, she was literally halfway down that hill until I said I'm going. She's like, where are you going? Where are you going? That was a struggle. Ready to go home? Okay, so whew, I can't believe a bird shot in my hair. Like, I was just sitting on there for not even a minute, and then I felt something and I touched my head. Mind you, my hair was down, and then I felt my hand and I was like, what the hell is this? And it was like green shit, and I'm like, oh, that's alright, like, alright, cool. I was so pissed off, and then I'm like, wait, if a bird shits on you, doesn't that mean it's good luck? Gotta find my keys somewhere in here. Okay. Here. You're welcome. In your seat. Mummy, in your seat, please.
I have to know. I can't see.
Ava, every time Natalina cries, Ava goes shh, shh, or she like hands her something.
Pick it up. Pick up.
Sorry, I dropped it. Yeah, I'll pick it up.
Pick up.
Yeah, I'll pick it up. Here, Sissy. Are you in your seat? Oh, are you talking to them?
Okay, but the fish.
Oh. Come on, in your seat, please. Come on, baby, in your seat. This way, come on. We'll go home. I'm gonna go home and wash my hair because like I can feel it's like all wet, even though I got some of it out with the wipes, but your girl is gonna wash her hair again, even though I just had a shower and it's like smells so good. It smells like bird shit. So, you know, but we're gonna head home right now. I'm gonna make these girls a Nutella sandwich or a Vegemite sandwich or a peanut butter sandwich. But yeah, it was a good hour that we spent here. But I could tell Natalie was getting a bit moody because she was hungry, and it was just like meant to be a quick stop. It wasn't meant to be like an hour. But I definitely might come for a ride down here later, because I go for bike rides with the girls around 8 o'clock, and then I normally go for my bike rides for about an hour. I try to make it for an hour. So yeah, but we're gonna head home now, and we'll see you guys when we get home. Okay guys, so we just got home. I just quickly turned the fan on because it's quite warm in our room. It always is. Mama's over here playing with her kitchen, making a mess, but that's okay. Woo! You guys showing them your kitchen. Wow, what are you making? What? Oh, what's that? Toast. Yum. I just preheated some food that I cooked last night, and this new series came out. It's called Sabrina, so I'm about to check it out. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna suss it out because I'm really curious to see what it is about. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a try, and we're gonna play it and see what it's about. Then Ava's over there playing with her kitchen, and I might tidy up the book can't even talk. I might tidy up where the books are and put up the stickers from his that I got that I won a few weeks ago. I haven't put them up yet, but I feel like I'm gonna put them up there. So yeah, your girl's gonna eat, and I'm gonna suss out what's going on with this Sabrina series, you know, give a feel what's happening here. So I'll be back.
In the town of Greendale, where it always feels like Halloween, there lived a girl who is half witch, half mortal.
Goes to sleep.
Who made every single drop of blood for Sabrina's anointment.
Watching this Sabrina. Natalie goes to sleep as well, thank goodness. So I feel like I'm gonna do this bookcase right now. There's like stuff everywhere that Ava's thrown, but I'm definitely gonna reorganize the books that she reads, put the ones that she doesn't in there, and then stick the stickers on the wall. So that's the plan. I just put these stickers up, and look how cute they are. They're so adorable. I might have to like move this one down a little bit, but that's just like a cute little overall idea. Got her Christmas books out now. But yeah, I think it's super cute. I actually might move them over here, but for now they're kind of cute. I'm gonna wait till Ava gets up so she can see what they look like. They've been in the packet for so long, so now that they're finally out, we'll see how she reacts to them. But I'm super happy with them, and I'm definitely going to go and get the other three, which is the elephant, the rhino, and there's like another one as well. So I thought I'd show you guys overview. So little update, I'm actually liking the Sabrina series, but I'm just about to edit a few vlogs on my computer. The girls are happily asleep. It's almost 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna go get dinner ready. So yeah, I'm also gonna go have a shower as well and wash this bird shit out of my hair, even though it was like a little bit, but still I'm gonna go wash it. I'm gonna edit, and it's about it really. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. We were outside majority of the day, which I like doing with the girls. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the family channel. We're almost at 500 guys, and I'll see you in the next one.
DJ turn up the speaker, DJ turn up the speaker. Girl them follow the leader, girl them follow the leader. Baby bandits, oh baby bandits.